Hey everybody, AJ here. We are at Flipper House number 2. That is the red brick house. We're actually going to be cleaning up the basement, and we hired a company, which I actually found on YouTube, Crawlspace Ninjas. And I'm going to have them explain what it is they're going to be doing to our basement, because this basement is not finishable. Look at how low my ceilings are. But we're going to make it better so that it's not going to, be a problem when it comes to reselling this house. So I'm going to go ahead and flip this camera over.
Hey there, my name is Ryan Safutin. I'm with Crawlspace Ninja of Alpharetta. We are here today at the O'Connor household. We are going to do a full encapsulation on the crawl space portion of this basement, meaning everything with the dirt floors that you see here, panning all the way around this way. Going to be doing a cleanup, removing all the debris. Then we are going to replace the old vapor barrier that's on the ground with a 12 mil more durable vapor barrier that's going to go on the ground over all the dirt, up the walls, less 6 inches from the top, which is code by the state for termite inspections. We are also going to air seal all the holes in the subfloor, as well as air seal all of the vents except for one, where we will be installing an active ventilation system fan that'll keep air movement down here. It's good for soil gases, radon, things like that. Finally, we will be installing a dehumidifier and condensate pump to keep the humidity levels down here under 60%. Anything under 60 will inhibit mold growth. So just keeping the moisture levels down, going to get this space in.
That will also, that'll help it from smelling like a basement too, right? That moisture smell.
The vapor barrier down over the dirt and over the concrete walls, since they are porous and moist, you do get some of that smell. It will help with that. I won't say eliminate it totally, because you're still going to have this open concrete space here as well as these walls. So smell, could be a bit of a concern, but definitely in this area here where most of that smell is coming from is from the exposed dirt on the ground. So, and
it's not a bad smell. I'm just saying,
right.
When you walk into a basement, it just smells like a basement.
It's going to help with all of those things.
Wonderful.
Absolutely.
Wonderful. Well, I'm going to be taking some video when they're done, but check out the before, and you guys are going to get to see what it's going to look like when it's done. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, now to show you the finished results. I am so happy. It's so much cleaner. It smells so much better. The temperature, it doesn't feel like a damp basement anymore. The plastic is encapsulating pretty much everything, all the dirt areas, all the crawl spaces. They do put the plastic up the wall, and they leave a 6-inch gap between the top of the wall to the plastic. That is by code. It is attached at the top of the plastic. They use like bolts, and so it is nice and secure, but you can see the bolts right there. Crawlspace Ninjas. They also put a dehumidifier down there that will be running, that keeps the air flowing, keeps the humidity levels at a certain level that it needs to be at. But look at how much cleaner this is. You can definitely store your stuff in here. The plastic is very thick. It's a heavy duty plastic, but there also is a little exhaust fan right there that keeps the air flowing from the inside out. But so much better. I am excited about this. Okay, well, there you have it. I'm back over here just checking on things, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. I didn't know a lot about encapsulating a basement until I met with the Crawlspace Ninjas, and my husband actually is the one that found them on YouTube. But watching the videos, we learned so much. We're so glad that we did it. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. I'm going to put all their information down below. And just full disclosure, I did not get any discounts from them. They did not do the work for free. We searched them out, and we paid them to do this work. And I'm just sharing with you their information because I am thrilled. Look at that. I am thrilled with how it turned out. I'm thrilled with already. This has been, I'm 2 days later from the video that I did right before this clip where the basement is, when I videotaped the basement and did the voiceover. It's been a couple days now, and I'm finally back over here, and the smell doesn't smell like it used to. It does not smell like a dingy basement anymore. It's nice and clean. It's something that people are going to be willing to store their holiday decorations in, and it's all sealed. I'm not going to have to worry about all the mice or anything like that. Look at that. I am really happy. So thank you, Crawlspace Ninjas. Like I said, I'll put their contact information down below. For you local peeps here in the Alpharetta, Milton, Georgia, Fulton County area, that's the information I'll put down in the description. I'll also put a link to the Crawlspace Ninja YouTube channel so that you can see other projects that they've done. But we're really happy with what they did. And when you have a crawl space, there's not much you can do with these basements when you have that dirt, you don't want to put the expense into raising ceilings and pouring cement. This was a great option. It was very economical. And the dehumidifier down here, the exhaust fans, I smell a huge difference. It doesn't smell like a dingy basement anymore. I would be more than willing to put all my holiday decor between seasons down here, make it into a workshop, be great for a workshop, all that kind of stuff. So very happy. Thank you, Crawlspace Ninjas. Okay, don't forget to click on subscribe and click on that little bell down below so you're notified every time I put up a new video. But this was all about encapsulating your basements, your unfinished basements. Well worth it. Well worth it. I'm really happy. Okay, love and hugs, everybody. Thanks for joining me. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.